Hi guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. So in software testing tutorial, we are completed in last class. So what is the quality? So in this session we are going to discuss about that. To maintain the quality of application, how many roles available in a market? So now you can see, to maintain quality software, every organization, they are two main roles, and one is a QA, second person QC, and we have a QE, and so some extra persons also there. Now main roles are QA and QC. So what is the abbreviation of QA? Means quality assurance. QC means quality control. Okay, so what they will do means what they will do, and okay, directly I am giving this. QE means quality engineering. Now coming to the quality assurance, what is the QA work means? QA will perform the verification. QA will perform the verification. Verification means he can do the document reviews, and he can do the inspection, and he is a building the quality in process. Okay, so he was building the quality in a process. So he will do verification, he will do quality in a process means like everyone is attending the meeting or not, everyone doing their works or not, like requirement is correct or not, and the requirement was completed or not, what are the reports, these all things followed by this QA. Now coming to the QC was involved in the product oriented. So what he do exactly means validation. He will do validation. Validation means he will perform some testing. He will perform some types of testings on product. Types of testings in product. So the main goal of QA is preventing the defect. Main goal of QA is preventing defects, and main goal of QC person is detecting defects. Okay, so what is the difference between this preventing and detecting? Preventing means before developing they are checking whether it is a valid thing or not, we are going to develop a quality process or not. What is detecting? Developing is completed, now the developed product is properly developed or not. Simply we can say QA involve before development, okay, and QC involve after development. So these are the major roles we have to maintain a quality of a software in every organization. Okay, so now what is about this quality engineer means? He will write a automation scripts. So to maintain a software, this QE person will involve, and this is the role mainly for automation testers we can say. Okay, so they will write the automation scripts here. Okay, so guys, this is about that quality maintain. Okay, so every organization, how many roles are there? Mainly two roles. One is a QA and QC. QA means quality assurance, QC means quality control. These two persons was like building the quality in a software. Okay guys, and thank you for watching, and keep supporting to SP Global Solutions. Thank you.